Are you still spending hours in the documentation process of Revit and wondering if there is an easy way to do all that work? So welcome back to today's tutorial, and this is about a plugin that will help you in the documentation process. The plugin is Glyph, and the use of that is it can help you out while creating various views and sheets for the documentation process. So in order to download this software, you need to go into the website of evolvelab.io, and inside this, you can click into this try now option. Next, it will ask for your username and sign in. After you have signed in, it will ask for the download for Windows button option, and you can click on this to download the Glyph plugin for your Revit. So Glyph would be working for the Revit versions of 2020 till the latest version, which is the 2026. Once you have downloaded the file, just double click on it and it will get installed in the process. After the installation, it will show up in the Revit ribbon layout once you open Revit. So I'll explain a scenario here. Let's say you have created your floor plans. This is ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor. But in order for having the sheets, you require to duplicate all of these views so as to make various kinds of construction documents like a floor finish plan and furniture plan, a partition plan, and so on. So what you would be needing is you would require to duplicate it to create a new just by going from here, duplicating view using the duplicate or duplicate with detailing option. So this is a long process where you have to go one by one to all of the views and you have to duplicate it. What if there is another way that can help you out? So this is by going into Glyph start, hit the start button. It will take some time to open the dialog box. And after that, I just need to go into create. And here we have an option for create views by level. Just click on this. Next, it will ask for the number of levels you want to create views of. So I want this ground floor, first floor, second floor, and let's say third floor also. And next, before clicking on this run task, I will go into the task settings properties. So the naming scheme, you can find it over here. So an example is also showing how it will name the views. So parameter value and the floor plan, it will name it like that. If you are not happy, you can write it as flow finish plan. Let's say I want to create a flow finish plan. So I can write it over here, and this is the name. You can write any other thing from the drop down. So let's find anything else if you can use it. So I think name is fine over here. And do you want to have the views name in uppercase? If you don't want, just untick this uppercase. I don't want it. And if you want to use separators also, just like this underscore key, you can add it. So once you are done, you can click this also. If you want to make ceiling plans, you can just tick this and the process remains the same. So I'll quickly do this. So I have the ceiling plans. If you want, I can skip this also. So I hope, uh, well, let's create a lighting plan like this. I don't want a structural plan. If you want, you can just tick it and it will create a structural plan as well. So I'll just go ahead and click the run task. So within a matter of seconds, this has created various view like first floor finish plan, ground floor finish plan, which can be used in our sheets for the floor finish. For the lighting plan also, it has created various types of views in a matter of seconds. So that is the power of using plugins. So in cases where we have multiple levels, we can use this option plugin to ease our process. Another way which I found it useful is, let's say you want to create elevations of this room and needless of going into the conventional method of going into view and creating an elevation. So it's a long process because I want to create the elevation of this room also, this storeroom also, and a few areas more. Instead of going through this process, I can create it by using the glyph option. Just hit the start key from here. Now again, I'll go into create. Now this time I'll select create views by rooms because I want to create views from this room. So let's select this drawing room and storeroom first of all, and I'll go to this. Okay, so this is for the enlarged plan, not for the elevations. My bad. I'll go back. Let's see if we have any option for creating elevations. Yes, we have an option for create room elevations. Just select this and we have to just go into this element selection option, select rooms. So I would be requiring only these two rooms for now. Go into the settings, check everything. You can use your template also. So let's select architectural template, elevation marker. So this is whether you want a single elevation marker or you want the individual elevation markers for all the four sides of views of the elevation. So I want a single marker. I'll use this. The elevation height should be bottom of floor to the roof. That is fine. Or if you want bottom of floor to ceiling, you can use this. So I'll go with this. Next is the crop offset. So offset is 1 feet. You can change it if you would like from any of the directions. I'll keep it like this only. The last is the naming scheme. So the name is, first of all, room name is coming, then the number, and then the elevation. I'll untick this uppercase. I'll use a separator of underscore and let's hit the run task key. I'll just close this one and I'll go into the elevations. So it has created this in the plan also you can see this. It has created 4 elevations that can be used in the sheets now. So I can go into my sheets. Duplicate my sheet and I can add, let's say I want to drag all the elevations of the drawing room, you can add it and you can work on the detailing of the views like this. So this is related to the using of glyph for creating various types of views. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to ARCHI Tools because I'll be bringing more practical insights on AI and BIM that you can actually use in real projects. See you in the next one.